So, you know how the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is basically the hybrid vlogging camera king right now? It's small, it's powerful, and honestly, it's been ruling this space without any real competition. Unless you're using your phone or strapping on an action cam, nothing really comes close. But that might be about to change, because GoPro could be cooking up its own rival. Quick thing. Before we go on, tap subscribe. Just like GoPro's new modular idea, it snaps right in and instantly upgrades your setup. Alright, here's what's up. GoPro filed a new patent that looks a lot like their take on the Osmo Pocket. The twist? It's modular. The image capture module, basically the sensor and stabilization, can detach from the grip and rotate freely 180, 270, even a full 360 degrees. That means it could track subjects smoothly while you just hold the handle. Unlike the Pocket 3, which can't do continuous 360 tracking, this could give GoPro a serious edge. The design uses hybrid stabilization, a mix of mechanical gimbal movements and digital correction, for smoother footage than either system alone. The grip itself is designed to feel natural, with both a touchscreen and physical buttons, making it a sleek hybrid of GoPro's rugged cameras and a tiny gimbal cam. And the modular system, that's where it gets exciting. Instead of buying a whole new device, GoPro could release swappable modules. Maybe one with a bigger sensor, one tuned for low light, even a 360-degree version, all snapping onto the same base. That flexibility could make it way more appealing than DJI's all-in-one approach. Now here's something interesting. The patent hints that this stabilization system could be applied beyond just handheld use. A drone is one possible example, but that doesn't necessarily mean GoPro's gearing up for a comeback. It just shows they're exploring different ways the tech might be used. Of course, patents don't always become products, but with GoPro filing this now, at a time when the Osmo Pocket 3 is more popular than ever, it definitely feels like they're eyeing a comeback in this category. Specs, we don't know anything yet. But if GoPro really wants to compete with DJI, a 1-inch sensor seems like a safe bet. For now, that's all we know. Peace.